Hello? Hello? I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers making the Japanese polished aluminum foil balls. It's quite a title. Including myself. Check that eye up there. And it dawned on me that no one is making any other shapes. I personally love cubes for some reason. So I thought I'd try it out. I started out the same way as the ball, some foil rolled up into a big old wad. I hammered it down into a rough cube, but I kept chasing the shape. When I tried to flatten the top and bottom, the sides would just blow out. I thought it might help my situation if I added more mass, so I bundled up the rest of the roll of foil. But this time, before moving towards that final shape, I compacted the foil as much as possible into a sphere, then flattened out the sides. I was really surprised how sharp I got the edges of the cube with just the hammer. It worked out pretty good. It's not exactly a perfect cube yet, but we'll get there. I think this is going to work. Remember, always use PPE appropriate for the job you're working on. It'll save your life. A sweaty face is better than a lung full of foil dust. I'm starting out with 80 grit to rough in the shape, and oh man, that thing heats up quick. Whew, much better. Quick costume change because it's the next day, and we're going up to 120 now. I marked all the sides with a Sharpie to keep track of my progress. Sorry, Alec, I don't have any blue dicum.
Oh, blue dicum, how you're so lovely.
And we're on to 240. Next is 320, then jump all the way up to 800 because that's the next belt that I have. Then we're going to finish off with 1000 grit. Now all that's left is a quick polish with some progressive compounds. I purposely left some voids in the surface finish because I thought it'd be an interesting aesthetic to see the raw foil texture in contrast with the polished surface. This is an art channel after all, so I'm treating this like a sculpture. I hope you enjoyed and that this may have inspired you to try new things. I'll see you guys back in class on Monday. Ciao for now.